Hello, Kim-Sam again. In this video, I'm going to explain how to pronounce Korean greeting 안녕하세요. I'm a Korean teacher, but this video is not only for Korean learners, but also all the people who want to greet your Korean friends, Korean neighbors, and who are planning to visit in Korea in the future. No matter who you are, this video will be helpful for you to practice pronouncing Korean greeting 안녕하세요 correctly. First of all, as a Korean, I really want to say thank you so much for your passion. You want to greet us in our language. It's so warm and sweet. Thank you guys. We all know it is not easy for foreigners just like you to speak 안녕하세요 correctly, and that's why I'm here to help you out. Unfortunately, most of foreigners can't speak 안녕하세요 correctly, and we Koreans already knew that. So if you can speak this short sentence in perfect, like 안녕하세요, they will be surprised. Oh, you speak Korean. 한국말 할 줄 아세요? Can you speak Korean? So in this video, I'm going to try to make you to pronounce 안녕하세요 just like native Korean in 5 minutes. So just invest 5 minutes to learn so you can speak 안녕하세요 just like me. Let's dive into it.
Korean class.
First of all, just follow me to speak this greeting. This short sentence consists of 5 syllables. If you can read the Korean alphabet, just read 5 syllables. If you can't, just follow me with the romanization. 안녕하세요. Again, 안녕하세요. Okay. 안녕하세요. Again. 안녕하세요. Good. First thing I want to point out is double nasal sounds here. You should pronounce double nasal sound correctly. Listening to this audio clip is helpful because 70% of foreigners make the same mistake. Listen to the first 2 syllables, 안녕, carefully.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
This is from a native English speaker who is learning the Korean language. As for Korean, it sounds like 안녕.
안녕.
Not 안녕. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Not 안녕하세요. What I mean is that there are double nasal sounds here in the first 2 syllables, 안녕. But this learner just pronounced one nasal sound like 안녕. It is one of the most common mistakes that foreigners make because in many languages, nasal consonants are combined when they are doubled. Examples of English words are anna, announce, wanna, gonna, etc. etc. So it is happening when they pronounce Korean greeting 안녕, like this audio clip.
안녕.
But if you want to say 안녕 like native speakers, you have to pronounce both nasal sound like 안녕. When you pronounce the first syllable an, your tongue tip should be located behind your upper teeth, an, and you have to keep that mouth shape. Then you pronounce the next syllable 녕 from that mouth shape. 안녕, 안녕. Okay, that's the first one. And second thing I want to talk about is the last syllable 요. 안녕하세요. Okay, let's listen to other audio clips.
안녕하세요.
And this.
안녕하세요.
As for me, the last syllable sounds like 오, not 요.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
You know, 요 is diphthong. That means your sounds start from very short and unclear Y sound and move on to the next sound O, like yo, yo. And it is not the same as English word yo, even if romanization said it is yo, but the sound is different. When you say English word yo, your mouth shape is changing. Yo, yo, right? But Korean syllable yo doesn't make your mouth shape change it. Look at my mouth. Yo, yo. I fixed my mouth shape. I don't change it. Yo is very quick sound. It is not the same as yo, yo, no. Yo, yo. Can you follow me? Yo, yo, yo. Great. The last thing I want to point out is intonation when speaking 안녕하세요. The first syllable an should be the lowest pitch. If the pitch of an is do, re, mi, fa, sol, others are like mi or fa. 안녕하세요, 안녕하세요. And if you are really happy to greet with them, an is on the same note, and others are getting high like sol, 안녕하세요, 안녕하세요. And if you're really excited, sometimes they will be like octave high. 안녕하세요, 안녕하세요. Okay, follow me. 안녕하세요. Again, 안녕하세요. Good. Faster. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Okay, you are happy to greet. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Okay, you are excited. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Great. Well done. That's it. Now you know how to pronounce 안녕하세요 just like Koreans. If this video is helpful, hit the like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and set the alarm. I will see you in the next video. 안녕.